Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get a loan from Dave app using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Dave app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Extra Cash at the bottom of your screen. Next, Dave will show you how much you are eligible to borrow. This amount depends on your income, spending habits, and account history. If you see an available amount, tap Get Extra Cash or tap on Get Cash. Now enter the amount you want to borrow. Make sure the amount is within the limit Dave gives you. Take a moment to double check the number before moving forward. After that, choose how you want to receive the money. A standard delivery is usually free and takes 1 to 3 business days, and instant delivery sends the money faster but may include a small fee. Next, Dave will show you a summary screen. This screen explains how much you are borrowing and when the money will be paid back. Read the information carefully so you understand the repayment details. If everything looks good, tap confirm or accept. They will process your request and you will see a confirmation message on the screen. And that's it. You have successfully gotten a loan from the Dave app using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.